In today's video, I will walk you through how to add collaborators to Spotify playlist. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Next, look at the left sidebar where your playlists are listed. Find the playlist you created and want to make collaborative. The playlist needs to be one that you created yourself, not one that you only follow or one created by someone else. If you have a lot of playlists, you can click into your library to help locate the correct one. Once you find it, open the playlist and make sure you have selected the right one before continuing. Now, move your mouse to the playlist name. You have two ways to open the playlist options. You can right-click the playlist title directly from the sidebar, or you can open the playlist and click the three dots next to its name. Either option will open the same menu, so choose whichever method is easier for you. From the menu that appears, select Invite Collaborators. After selecting Invite Collaborators, Spotify will generate a shareable link for the playlist. This link allows the people you share it with to become collaborators on that playlist. As collaborators, they can add tracks, remove tracks, and reorder the songs in the playlist. Your friends will need a Spotify account to participate, but they do not need a paid plan to add songs. Once the shareable link is available, copy it and send it to the people you want to invite. You can paste the link into a messaging app, send it through email, or share it wherever your group communicates. When the people you invite open the link, they will be added as collaborators and can begin contributing to the playlist. To recap, start by opening the Spotify desktop app on your computer. Find the playlist you created and want to share with others. You can right-click the playlist title in the sidebar, or open the playlist and select the three dots next to its name. When the menu opens, choose Invite Collaborators. Spotify will then create a shareable link. Copy that link and send it to the people you want to add. Once they open the link, they can collaborate on the playlist by adding, removing, and reordering tracks. And that is how to add collaborators to a Spotify playlist. Thank you for watching.